when you're going camping, this is the lantern you want to take. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just found this company. It's Pro 4 Tactical, and what I love about this is that pretty much everything on their website, everything in their catalog is very intriguing to me, man. I am definitely the demographic of people who would love their stuff because they have a lot of it. So I picked up a bunch of stuff, so we'll be checking out a lot of stuff from them. The thing I really love about this company is that they are also from my hometown, out in Detroit, Michigan. So I love a local company as much as anyone, but I love the fact that they have all of this kind of cool outdoor gear. And this lantern looks absolutely fascinating to me. At a first glance, it looks a little bit like some of the other lanterns I've had, but as you kind of spin it around, you might see that there are some differences. So I'm excited about checking them out. First of all, you have this plastic housing, and that means this lantern is really, really light right out of the gate. So it's going to be nice and portable. It's about the size of like, oh, maybe slightly larger than a pop can, something like that. I've really come to love these types of lanterns because they are great for lighting up a table during a dark evening and hanging around with people. You can see here we have a couple of metal handles that fold up, and you can hang it, carry it like this, and then you can turn the sucker on by pulling this out. And you can see those LED emitters in there. We have 3 of them. And then on the bottom we have 3 little magnets, so you can attach this to a cabinet. You can put it on your car. You also have a little flip out hook here, so you can hang it inside your tent, right? Man, have the lantern like that, put it on a branch, those types of things. And then on top of that, we have over here this red ring. We have like a hazard light. So we get a flashing beacon there, as well as a flashlight right in there too. And it looks like the button for that is this little rubberized button on the side. All right, so I have teased you with all the features long enough. Let's unscrew the bottom here and put in the batteries, which were also included. So they include 3 AA batteries with this. So everything you need to get going is included in the box. Batteries installed, check. Once you screw this on, base seems to go on there pretty tightly. I think it's going to be pretty weather resistant. But now, if I pull this open, boom, look at that light. Ooh, I could tell ghost stories like this. That is a bright light radiating in all direction. And then if I start to close it, I do like the fact that you can shrink the opening here, and that allows you to kind of regulate the light. So this might be really bright. I have used these lanterns like when I'm out on a picnic, and sometimes it's just too bright, especially if you're listening to some music, you want to just make it a little more subtle. You can lower it like that, and then by the time you get it that far, it turns off that light, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, if we look up here and we hit the little button on the side, what we will do is we will turn on that flashlight. So now we have a flashlight that you can use instead of just a lantern to navigate around. This is really, really useful, especially when you have a light like this, you know, and it's just super bright and you just want a focused beam. What's also interesting here is I can have both of them on at the same time. So I can illuminate everything around me, illuminate straight up. So if I'm inside in a tent or something, that's pretty cool. Now, if I hit the button again, what we get are this flashing hazard lights. So that's pretty cool. If you want this beacon to set up for emergencies, say you're in a disabled car on the side of the road, you could put this behind your car like a flare or something like that. That is pretty cool. It's a great little safety feature to have. And if I click it again, it goes to a slow flash. And if I click it one more time, it goes off. So it's pretty cool. Not only do I have the lantern, I have the flashlight, and then I also have the blinking beacon. This thing is pretty sweet. Pro 4. If you want to pick this lantern up or any of their other sweet gear, I'm going to put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out. It's Pro Form.